Hello, this is Dan Alford with Specialties. The guys asked me to come out in the shop, take a look at a machine because they knew that there's some memories involved. This machine was one of our early hot wire bore cladding systems that we built over 30 years ago. What's interesting about this thing, it's gone through two different controls upgrades. And so I thought it'd be interesting to share with you how these machines have evolved over the years. Back in the early 90s, we were using a human machine interface with less than a meg of memory. That was back when memory was scarce and expensive, and you had to write very tight code. We were also using a dedicated arc voltage controller rather than a software version. We were running an Omron PLC. We ran stepper motors for the wire feed and DC motors for the slides in the table. And there was a Powcon power supply. This company's out of business, but it was one of the early inverter power supplies, and they did a great job for us. Well, fast forward to '09, and we rebuilt the thing. We've added upgraded welding power supplies. We went to a touch screen rather than the old Eason screen. We ran stepper motors to control the slides rather than DC. And we had integrated the arc voltage control function into the software rather than having a dedicated system for it. This worked great until 2023. We just finished rebuilding the machine for a third time. We've upgraded to current PC-based controls. We've gone full servo on the slides, the wire feeder in the table. And the most interesting thing is we've added our high deposition software. Way back in the early 90s, everybody was happy to weld at around 2.5 pounds an hour. That's how you quantify productivity in welding, not by speed, but by deposition rate in pounds per hour. Rather than just say you're welding fast, I need to know how many pounds you're depositing. Well, back then, 2.5 pounds was adequate and it worked well, and nobody was looking for alternatives. Well, fast forward to 2023, that's no longer adequate. We've created a high deposition welding package, and this involves several things. There's quite a few software changes. There's also some new contact tips because when you're running high wire feed speeds, you actually degrade the contact tip too quickly. And with the new contact tips that we've developed, we can control that wear. And finally, we've upgraded the table so that we run at extremely high RPMs because when you're welding at high deposition rates, you need to increase your travel speed commensurate with your deposition rate. So it's been kind of interesting. This machine has been popping up for over 30 years, and it's been making parts for my customer for that same period of time. In this case, all the hardware was still purely functional. All we had to do twice now is upgrade the controls. I'm curious if this is the last time we see this machine because we're going to robotic-based cladding systems, but this old workhorse has been welding parts and making money for over 30 years. At Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.